regarding the first job, like you were saying, like आपने पहले भी mention किया. So I just want to know, let's take a case that I want to go into consulting. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि consulting is a preferred job for me, and due to some reasons I couldn't make it क्योंकि offers कम थे, competition ज़्यादा था, and I get some job in some other company, maybe some startup or something like that. तो सर मेरा क्वेश्चन यहाँ ये है कि how difficult can it be for a person to switch? Like हो सकता है मैं बिल्कुल completely different field में चला जाऊँ just to get a job, just to explore, but still मेरे mind में एक चीज़ रह जाएगी कि I wanted to do consulting या for that any other field. तो उस केस में how should I prepare myself and how difficult can it be for a person to switch a job in a completely different field?
So, okay, I'll give you my perspective. Of course, it's a personal perspective, really. I think you do get slotted, but does not get slotted. You don't get slotted in less than a month or a year of your job, right? But yes, if you work for 10 years in a certain domain, then obviously you do get slotted. Right. The real issue is, which is a bigger issue, the moment, whenever we are afraid as human beings, the moment we get the first level of comfort, we tend to hold on to it, right? Mm-hmm. And the reality is that's more a psychological thing, but it's a powerful thing. So what you need to understand is, as long as you understand, there are two types of people. I'm very comfortable taking tough decisions. जैसे मुझे कोई आएगा ना, so for example, I had a good PhD offer. I left it. I said, कोई बात नहीं यार, it's okay. Because I don't want to do it. I'm clear. I'll take that call. A lot of people who say, नहीं यार, I have something in my hand. I can't leave it. Right? Let's say you take a job and you say 6 months down the line, I won't be able to leave it because I'm a person who gets afraid of uncertainty. Right? So you need to know your nature. So I'm a person who is able to take tough decisions. I'm able to walk away from things. I'm very fine. मुझे कुछ भी अच्छी चीज मिल रही होगी, I've been able to walk away from funding rounds. मतलब I'm okay doing that. And it's nature, right? अब तुम अगर तो वैसे टाइप के हो, tough decision ले लेते हो. Don't worry, then try things out. But अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि you are not that person, it will cause you a lot of anxiety later on to take a job and then leave that also. Right, 6 months down the line, then don't take it. Right? If you know that this is your, eventual goal, then it's okay to wait it out 6 months. But for me, I'm not a person who likes waiting. Right? But I would rather get into whatever the first good enough thing that I get, and then kind of keep switching. So again, it's self-awareness that matters. Right? This is one thing that I would say students really need to think a lot about, because IT does not teach that, their parents don't teach that, nobody really cares about self-awareness. Everybody's saying, this is the formula, follow it. What's the metric of, success metric? Car, house, wife, all those things, right? So that's, I think, the issue there. When you're self-aware, you understand what is my success parameters, right? What is the parameter that motivates me? Right? I know people, computer science IIT Delhi, हमारे से 1 साल junior, who became like an NGO guy. He still runs an NGO, pretty successful, I would say at that. एक बंदा हमसे junior, Pratik Raj, he's an IIM Bangalore में professor. Sure, he could have done better in terms of money per se, but he enjoys what he's doing. So I think that self-awareness is where students should spend a little time. They're old enough, definitely, right? But yes, our culture does not allow us to be very self-aware at the college pass-out stage. So maybe, it's the time to start thinking about it. Because, the moment you get into a job, 3, 4, 5 years down the line, you generally tend to get more self-awareness. And you start taking calls which are more inner human-driven rather than, society pressure-driven. I would say start doing that earlier. The earlier you start doing that, the more happy you will be doing whatever. Because entrepreneurship may, you'll always be taunted a lot. You'll always be kind of having bad times. Even if you are successful, then also a lot of people will be targeting you in different ways. कल ही किसी ने Twitter पे मेरे को troll किया हुआ था. Summer is a, whatever, right? He can't do things. He doesn't care about his customers and all that stuff. To be honest, I went there and I know कि मेरी social media team मुझे गुस्सा होगी. मैंने लिखा, मैंने यार तू हमसे use क्यों नहीं करना बंद करता product? And that guy is one person who I told यार उसने कुछ दिए होंगे पैसे, I don't know कितने दिए होंगे product के लिए. I told him, take the refund. कहता नहीं मुझे refund नहीं लेना, मैंने बहुत time spend ही किया तुम्हारे product में. मैं कहा भाई तू use कर ले, तूने use नहीं करना, तूने refund नहीं लेना, तो क्या चाहता है तू life में? ये तो वो बात हो गई कि तब मैं जाके Apple को कहूँ तुम्हारा फोन बहुत महंगा है. अच्छा ठीक है कोई और खरीद लो. और नहीं मैंने Apple iPhone नहीं खरीदना but बहुत महंगा है. मैं क्या करूँ? So it's an inherent thing. You have to become tough so that people don't bother you. People will always try to do that. That's like how, let's say, the world works in a general sense. But you have to learn that. I would say self-awareness पे focus मारो यार. This is the right time to do it.